All right, you guys, so this is a big one, especially for those who are working from home. I know we all are saying the same thing is that we are working more than we typically would if we were in the office. We're working more at home otherwise, right? Than otherwise. So it's so important that we make sure that we take our breaks. We might be at home and we might be comfortable in our comfy chair, whatever it might be. We might be in the comfort of our home, but it's still important to make sure you take breaks. And not only just breaks, right? I don't want you going to freshair.com, right? I want you to actually get up and take screen free breaks, right? Those are the most effective breaks. I think Amazon and shopping online or reading blogs, all that is very relaxing, right? It is an opportunity to check out, but if you have an opportunity, I think it's the best is to get up, step away from your screen, rest your eyes, and actually take breaks. If you're working from home, it might be a good idea to put on your tennis shoes and take a walk around the block. Or it might be in your business complex. Take an actual physical walk. Grab your best buddy from work. Catch up with that person and talk and work and get your fresh air. I think with that, by the time you get back to your desk, you've actually killed a couple birds in one stone, right? You burned calories, which is great. You've taken your break, you've rested your eyes, you've got your blood flowing, and now you're going back to your desk and you're going to be more effective where you can get more work done so that when you leave, you can truly be done. You're actually giving yourself an opportunity to rest. So, no freshair.com during these times. Actually take a break. Actually get up, stretch, right? Stretch. This is a good one. Stretch and get up and actually walk around, get some fresh air before returning back to your workspace. So, like I said, I know many of us during these times are working more and forgetting to take breaks, but it's still so important, equally as important, probably even more important than before, to get up and take screen free breaks. So, don't forget to take your screen free breaks. And finally, our last tip is to don't forget or understand that it's okay to ask for support and to ask for help, right? We all work so hard in each and every task that we do. We give so much of ourselves, but it's still okay to ask for help or support. Ask for help from those around you, from your family, from your children, from your friends. Ask for help, right? It is a community effort to help all of us to achieve work-life balance. If you're part of our group, Facebook group, our private Facebook group, which is invitation only, feel free if you're going through something or you're experiencing something, no matter which part of the world you're in, we are all going through and all experiencing the same things. Ask for help. If you have questions and want to know how other women similar to yourself who are managing and achieving a healthier work-life balance, don't forget to ask, right? I think that's what we do well and that's what we do best is to share and provide a community and to support other professional women like ourselves and providing them with things that have been effective for us that they can also use to be effective in their lives as well. So don't forget to ask your family as well, your friends, the people around you. And for some people, asking for help, it might look like bringing in or hiring a third party. There are some things that we do that are still equally important, that still must be done, but does not have to be done by us. And if that's the case, that might be an option where you can bring in a third party to take care of those tasks so that you can focus on some of the things that you actually have to do and that can't be delegated out. So keep those as reminders. And if you're not a part of our community and Facebook group, please feel free to subscribe to our subscription box at www.balanceherhustle.com. That's www.balanceherhustle.com. You can find us on Facebook. You can find us on Instagram. You can find us in our private Facebook group, which is invitation only. Feel free to reach out, provide feedback to our email. You can contact us through our website. And then also don't forget to thumbs up this video, like this video, comment on this video, share this video with other professional women who might find it helpful to learn some of these work-life balance tips. And if you're interested in subscribing to our subscription box, again, you can find that information at balanceherhustle.com. Thanks you guys so much. Again, this is Miss Ashley with Balance Her Hustle. And until next time, I will touch base with you guys later. Thanks, ladies. Stay balanced.